Who's the fucking numero uno now? Who's the fucking numero uno? David De Gea. He could save the bloody Titanic and he saved the bloody penalty today. Extra time, Fergie time, whatever the fuck you want to call it. What a save! Wow! Just when you think all hope is lost, the man of the match, David De Gea, saves our asses once again. Whoa! I could not even look at the penalty being taken. I could not. I just turned away and I just prayed to God. Please, God, just have mercy on us for once. Just have mercy. We worked so hard. Just let us get the 3 points. And oh my God, what a save, man! What a save! Shit. Still not over me yet. It's still not over. Just still processing yet. David Moyes strikes again. David Moyes just strikes again. Same fucking bullshit. Same bullshit. West Ham, West shit. The guy who has not even played 1 minute of the game, he gets him on and he substitutes him just to take the penalty kick. Wow. Tactics. And I was thinking here Ole has bad tactics. This is bad tactics ki Mahabharat. Really? What fucking decision, man. Let Declan Rice take it. Let anyone take it. Okay? Let anyone take it who's played on the pitch. Even Fabianski will take and score it. He's giving it to someone who has not even played in the game. Wow. Just mind-blowing decision by David Moyes. True MVP today. True MVP. After the Villarreal game, everyone was like, Henderson should have started, no? Talk to me. I want to hear y'all. Come at me in the comments. I will answer everyone. Come on. David De Gea is shit, no? David De Gea is shit. We need to get another keeper. We need to get someone else who is much more stable. Fuck off. Just fuck off. Go watch that replay again and again on a loop. Okay? And just shut the fuck up. David De Gea's penalty record is absolute fucking nonsense. Really. But it's penalties. You can't tell anyone, but he has not saved a lot for a goalkeeper. But today, my God, what a save. Perfect save. Now coming to the main point, which is the game. Why Ole has been talking full season saying we'll play 4-3-3. I want to play 4-3-3. Where is that 4-3-3? Huh? Where is it? You're playing with two CDMs at the back again. McTominay and Fred. McTominay shouldn't even have been rushed to the pitch again. He's had groin surgery, for Christ's sakes. Why are we playing him today? Why are we playing? Donny's chutia or what to you, Ole? Is he invisible? Huh? Mr. India he is. Really, he's so wide that you can't see him. He's transparent to you. Fred, man. Fucking my God. I just wanna... If I say no, people then will complain saying Fred is good, Ganta good. Just go and see the last 5 games he has played. See the entire last season. See what bullshit he has done. One pass the guy can't do, man. One pass if you can't do, what is your worth as a footballer? We got robbed by Shakhtar Donetsk. Really, we got robbed. That being said, we did not really play good this game. First half, absolute crap. We could not get up first. We could not get the ball only out of our own half and through our midfield. The game was completely dead. Second half also, no urgency. They scored. I believe it was in the second half. They scored. Unlucky deflection on our part. Varane got in the way to block and it hit his arm and it went inside. Cannot blame anyone for that. Immediately, however, we came back. Bruno's fantastic cross, let me say. And Ronaldo doing what Ronaldo does best, and that's what he does. Scoring. That's why we got him for. To score and to win us games. After that, however, we completely died, dude. Lost creativity whatsoever. Fred was being absolute crap. McTominay could not even run. Pogba was just jogging throughout the field. Greenwood was trying something. Ronaldo was not getting the ball only. Bruno, Greenwood. Even Pogba was okay today, but not the performance that he usually gives. Okay? Yeah, so as always, attackers only were the main players who were playing really good today. Defense also, I don't know, really uncoordinated. Especially Maguire. What was that two fuck-ups he did today? And because I think Varane blocked it, and another one I think De Gea saved. Really, this cannot happen. For Christ's sakes, get a hold of yourself. And on top of that, we got 13 corners. 13 corners. How the fuck has no one scored from a header yet? Last season also, same thing. Same thing. Corners after corners after corners. No one is getting on the end of it. Maguire just heads it above the goal or he heads it sideways or in the hands of the keeper, which also is rare. He rarely gets a shot on target also. For England, no. For England, he's Maldini, he's Puyol, he's everyone. For that, his slap head, that fridge is working very nicely. For us, it's damaged. Our crosses also, Shaw's crosses were not up to the mark. Not up to the mark. He's crossing and it's hitting the West Ham player and going out. That cannot happen. That cannot happen for a wing back. Even Wan-Bissaka's crosses, really bad, really bad. Our crosses need to be on point because Ronaldo is, if he's at the end of it, he will always score. And I don't know what the refereeing was today. Absolute bollocks, that's it. Martin Atkinson, chutiya hai tu, chutiya. That's all I can say. 2 penalties you did not give. 2 penalties. Clear they were. Even VR, I don't know who was behind it. Mike Dean was there smoking ganja. He was there today. 2 penalties, bro. Clear penalties, no question about it. Just hats off to Jesse Lingard, man. Adrian Lingard, just hats off. Really. No words. He just made up for that blunder he made. Horrendous blunder he made last game. Made up for it in thousandfold. Did not see that coming whatsoever. As I've said, Jesse Lingard is a good player. He would have been much better off at some other club, at West Ham especially. But man, what a goal. Really, just boom, rocket. I would not expect him scoring those type of goals. Mason Greenwood scores those. Some people are gonna call me a hypocrite. Why? Look, a player makes a mistake. Obviously, I have to criticize them. It's not just me, everyone is gonna criticize him. But if that same player scores and makes up for that mistake, obviously you're gonna praise him for him. You're not gonna continuously drag that shit, no? If a player plays good and plays bad in one game, that's understandable. But if a player constantly keeps on playing bad, I'm looking at you, Fred, then obviously you're gonna criticize him. If Ronaldo missed a penalty one game, would that make him bad? No. People are gonna criticize him. So what? That's part of football. You get criticized. And you make up for it in the next game. That's how players move. That's how your mentality should be at this club. De Gea just saving our asses and Ole's asses yet again. Oh man. Henderson, better get accustomed to sitting on the bench. De Gea is here to stay.